Good day. Please introduce me yourself.
Hello, ma'am and sir. I am May Junicio Makabadbad, 32 years old, married. I have one child. My husband work is farmer. I have 3 brothers and 3 sisters. I am third of the family. I'm college level in Bachelor of Science Information Technology.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
I work in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for 3 years with 3 adults and 1 child. I do all the household chores like cleaning, cooking, laundry, car washing, and my main duty is taking care of children.
Okay. In your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
I am always securing safety of the children. When the baby is sick, I will always check the temperature. If the baby is sick, I call my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I'm honest, hardworking, and responsible person.
Do you have any tattoo?
No,
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
no,
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
no,
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
no, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I wanted to work go abroad to provide my family, especially for my children, and to be financially stable in the future, sir.
Okay. If you get hired, you will take care of your children.
My husband and my in-laws, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my job and remind myself I need this job, sir.
Okay. So, what time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep 10 p.m. in the evening and I wake up 5 a.m. in the morning.
Are you the one who does the cooking and do market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active when they tend to be out of control. How would you control their temper?
I will more patient and calmer when dealing with them.
Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese foods?
Yes, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer?
Hello, ma'am and sir. Hope you can select me as your domestic helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise I serve your family with all my best. Thank you.